Hello, this is John Jumper right here, and this is my servo motor experiment. As you can see, here's my servo motor and my Raspberry Pi connected, and I have my Python code. So as I press the run button, the servo motor, as the code has been written, is going each angle at a time. A servo motor can only go to 0 degrees to 180. It can't go 360. You can force a servo motor to go 360, but, well, you can damage it if you keep forcing it to go 360. And forever, this will continue to move like this in an infinite loop until I press the stop button. This is the servo motor experiment, but this time with scratch code that I made myself. So, once I press a left arrow, it should move close to 0 degrees. And once I press the right arrow, it should go to close to 180 degrees. But when I press the upper key arrow, it's going to move the servo to 90 degrees. The funny thing enough, when I was trying to test this code, the percentage for 0 it goes to 90, and the percentage for 180 goes to 180. But when I do percentage of 90, it's just more closer to 180. So what I did was I did a negative of it. So first I started with negative 90, and then the closer I get to it, the greater that I get to 90, the greater it starts to become closer to 0. But unlike the Python code originally, it's not easy to control that I've made right here. I'll demonstrate. Left key, it's already there. So right key, upper key. So it is exactly 90. Try to be close to 0 degrees and 180 and back to 90. This is the servo motor experiment, but instead of on Raspberry Pi, it's going to be on Arduino. And I connected with a potentiometer to my servo motor, and here's the Arduino code. It allows me to move my servo motor with the potentiometer instead of just code or spacebar. So let's see how it will move now. Oh, you can just do it like that. Make it not move. Yep, 180, close enough to 90, 0 degrees. Full rear view, 180, close to 90, 0 degrees.